First, install the module mounting bracket inside the water meter chamber. Use wall plugs or a plastic adapter depending on the mounting surface. In our case, we will use a plastic adapter which will be secured to the pipe with cable ties to ensure a stable and secure installation. Next, trim the excess length of the cable ties, eliminating the risk of injury and improving the appearance of the installation. Then mount the MacIQ WM Pulse onto the adapter using 2 plastic rivets. Secure the module firmly so that it is mounted stably. After installation, connect the module wires to the water meter pulse transmitter wires. Secure the wires with a cable tie to prevent them from coming loose. Trim the wires to an even length. Now proceed to the configuration in the Confi MacIQ app. Hold your phone close to the device to automatically select its profile. Next, configure the input settings. Tap Save and follow the instructions displayed on the screen. Select the pulse weight and enter the meter reading according to the value shown on the water meter. If the pulse weight is 1 liter, 1/1000th of a cubic meter, enter 3 digits after the decimal point. Tap Save and follow the instructions displayed on the screen. Once the installation is complete, send the installation report. That's it. Your device is now fully configured and ready for operation.